if you want to close your Zomato account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open the Zomato app or website. Log into your Zomato account using the app on your mobile device or by visiting the Zomato website on your computer. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or the menu option, where you can find account-related settings. Step 3. Select account or privacy. Look for an option labeled account or privacy. This section typically contains options related to account management, including account deletion. Step 4. Request account deletion. Find the option to delete or close your account. Follow the prompts provided, which may include confirming your decision and providing a reason for leaving. Step 5. Confirm and log out. After submitting your request, confirm that you want to close your account. Once confirmed, log out of your account to complete the process. Thank you for following these steps. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Zomato's customer support.